We're also going to create some beds in between this also.
Okay.
And a little bit small, like 2 feet by 4 feet or whatever. This we're going to leave.
I think this cluster beans is a DOF variety.
Okay.
So that is the reason why we are not able to see the difference.
Okay.
We need to take the local varieties.
Okay.
The traditional local variety which grow more than 6 feet.
Okay.
So there we can see the result. Any tall growing trees will reveal immediately the results.
Okay.
Because
this also we're taking out.
yeah.
So there's a choice, right, in terms of what we put, right? And now we'll have 8 beds, okay, and plus some small beds in between. So I'm thinking like, so the choices are, one is corn. In this, unfortunately, later I was thinking we should have even put it here.
Oh, they would have revealed more actually.
I know, but we didn't. Okay, so one other question I wanted to ask, right? For example, here, whether in this last row, whether like trees, you do, right? You basically dig besides the plant, maybe half a feet or 1 feet or whatever, and you put biochar. वो ट्राई करना है.
जितना भी करो उसका रिजल्ट थोड़ा कम ही रहता है. Because it is more like you are having jandu bomb on your surface or taking internal medicine, something like.
Correct.
So that is only superficial kind of application.
Right.
But reaching the real root zone will have more value actually.
Right. So this, I mean, another 45 days this will get harvested. So we thought we might be able to reuse this also, or move everything to the new trial plot. So later I realized we could have done everything.
This would have been perfect actually. Corn testing would have been very, very perfect.
And looks like the sweet corn grows right through the year.
Yeah, and very fast it grows. And seeing the plants, we can easily say that this is the impact.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So this also, this is I don't know what this is. This is
a kind of beans.
Beans,
beans and I think garlic
this
is there.
Garlic, I think. Yeah.
Beans are there. These are edible beans.
Okay.
Yeah. Babberlu kind of.
So
edible.
we also missed out on this also. Okay. So maybe this also, once this is harvested, we can do this space also.
Yeah, I think we need to have these systematic field trials.
Yeah.
As well as some monitoring cameras.
So cameras, you give a recommendation.
Yeah.
Because we're going to, I'll take you to the other field. Okay. So now, biochar is just one, but we wanted to do this across multiple products.
Yeah.
There's Jeevamrut. There's also one thing I found in Delhi, Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
Which is a different concoction. Okay. And that, I mean, the radish is this big.
Oh.
1.5 kilos, 2 kilos radish I saw. So we wanted to bring that and we wanted to try that also. Right? Anything that is good, we wanted to bring it. Ye to gaya, sir. Ye to, I think this agati was a mistake. Okay, this agati is
No. I can see the difference. Nothing is gone.
No, but you see that one, we kept it for sandalwood.
No, it's okay. Yeah, this agati we can see. So I will tell you, this is a control one.
Control, yes.
Yeah, this one, this plant actually.
Right.
Yeah. So here we can see this plant is not so healthy. I mean to say, the leaves are gone, something has eaten, and overall its morphology, it has not grown much. But this one, with increased application of biochar, you can see this is far better. The shoots are also coming. Yeah, leaves are big. Yeah, relatively leaves are big. Plant is healthy. Yeah, and this is also, you see, far better leaves. Can you see thicker leaves?
Yes.
Broader leaves?
Yeah.
Size of leaf you can compare. I think we can pluck one leaf average. There you pluck one leaf and we can put together next to each other. Yeah, so this definitely there is a difference. You see, this is even more bigger. See, this is the last one. So this one you see, there is a difference. Only we need to see closely because micro level observations we had to do. See.
Yeah.
Can you see the first leaf is thinner, longer, and longer and broader also. Yeah. Longer and broader.
I think this is the control. Now this one is definitely longer. This is slightly broader.
Higher applied biochar.
For example, if you put it like this, find that it is broader. right?
It's
and
broader.
this is much bigger than everything.
Longer and broader.
So if you put this leaf on top of this,
Yeah, you can see.
that is the kind of difference between control and biochar. But that is 100% biochar, huh? Meaning, will it really work in real life conditions?
No,
Because it needs
100%
soil.
biochar compost.
Compost, correct.
100% biochar compost, that also works out.
Works
As
out.
already I told you.
Interesting.
Like in trace, we can do that kind of thing.
Right.
And in nurseries also.
Right.
So it works actually.
Mm.
That's why that 15 days treatment is a compulsory thing.
Mm.
I think there is a difference here. Where are the other these spotted ones?
There. But I think we didn't have bandwidth to manage this.
Yeah, I think you are not monitored perfectly, but otherwise there is a difference. See, again you see. This is control.
Correct.
So relative to all the plants, this looks smaller. And you see the biochar applied one, how big it is. Can you see?
Yeah.
There is a difference between at least nearly 8 inches difference.
Right.
Can you see?
Correct. I think they.
Yeah, it
this
is there.
Full biochar, I think. This
Yeah.
is 75% biochar. I don't know.
And you can see the thickness of the stems also.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you see the thickness of the stems?
Right. Right.
Yeah, it has increased. You see.
Yeah.
The leaves again, you can see the same leaves.
Right.
In Agati, yes, it is there actually. This is partially applied one, and here we have more. And you see, they have other companion plants also in this one only.
Yeah.
It means it is more amicable for any plant to grow, any seed to grow. In the black bags.
I don't know whether we planted it.
No, naturally they have fallen, but still you see in control there is very little chance for anything to survive. Yeah, or come up.
Yeah.
But here we are able to see the difference. Yeah, there is a difference actually. We are not monitored, but there is difference. You can see the leaf size. You see how big they are. Yeah. And how luxuriant they are. See, keep this one, biochar. Yeah, see. Let us take a picture of.
But I think it's got mixed up. Huh? It's not in sequence here.
Yeah, but still that biochar
this
applied.
Is control.
Yeah.
These are biochar.
Yes, compared to control, any other biochar applied leaf is bigger.
Yeah.
That much we can make up.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah.
Clearly.
So it means it is working. Another evidence, yeah. So in plantations also we will have good results actually. Good. These are the biochar field trial plots here. Good, thank you, Raghavendra.
Thank you.